Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this here. This is the Pan Series 160 and it is going to be a charger that is going to have USB-C and USB on there. And I'm going to show you guys what this one is and how it works. So let's open it up and take out the pieces and parts. So we have a user manual here right there. So that's kind of good. Tells you what all the things are. It looks like this is a sticker. So that's kind of cool. It gives you a sticker to tell you what the different voltages are of each, the wattages and voltages of each of the ports. And then we have the wire and the unit here. So this is the wire here. It comes with a little protective cover here. You just take that off, 2-prong plug, and then the other side is going to plug into the back of this. So as such, and then it looks like we have 5 USB-C ports and 3 USB-A ports. And what's cool about this, you can see the USB-A ones, the traditional ones, are 15 watts, so that's pretty decent power outage for those. These ones here, these bottom two are 15, these are 30s, and that's a 70-watt plug. And if you can't see those on there, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see them on that. Probably if I go this way, you can see it. So that's kind of what it is. So you can hook up your computer. This will hook up to my MacBook, and it's probably, I think my current charger is only like 45, so this is going to be more powerful than that. And you can just take this sticker if you wanted to, so it's written a little bigger, and stick it on the side here too. It says LIXON on the side, so I guess that's the brand of that. It's funny because, it is the LIXON brand on the box. So this is pretty cool. So this is kind of nice. I am actually going to use this one to control my automation system because I have a Hubitat system at HomeBridge. I have my HomePod and a few other USB devices to connect up. So I'm just going to have it so that I'll have one wire to control all my automation stuff. So how cool is that? So I like this. This is a really cool device. You could use it for travel or for laptops and everything. So very nice little hub here, and super solid and durable. It looks metal, but it's a plastic that looks like metal. But very good. So I'm going to say this is awesome. Thumbs up from me on this. Pick up one of these. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon.